Previously on Crypto Combat.
All right, everybody, welcome back to Crypto Combat.
Unlimited leverage, real pressure.
Love always wins, guys. Except for in this show, it's all about wrecked or rich, all right?
I'm $800 in the money right now.
Let's go back to Barrett Soloway. I love it.
You're gonna go and burn the account again.
Bullish, bullish, bullish.
Let me just check the win.
Do you know what USDT stands for?
US dollar today.
I love it.
I went on a streak where I didn't lose a trade for like an entire month. I wore the same pants every single day. I did not wash them. I did not change them.
Thank you again to our sponsor, Weeks for Today, and for sponsoring this show as a whole.
All right. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, what the heck? What is that?
Are you telling me I should short this right now? Because I will.
Pull that thing all the way. Slide that over. He got liquidated.
Oh no!
He got liquidated.
That I call BS. I think the exchange did that on purpose.
I predict that Drew will win.
Okay, here we go. Let's go. It's the wrong way, brother.
Audience, those are clean pants. Don't worry.
Should have worn the other pants slot.
How about that?
All my supporters in the chat. Guys, we're going to do whatever we can to repeat this next week. We can tackle that challenge all together. Awesome stuff.
This is Crypto Combat, wrecked or rich.